I made my first digital product in just 24 hours, and in this video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can do it too, even if you're a total beginner with zero experience, no audience, and absolutely no tech skills. A lot of people think creating a digital product is this huge, complicated thing that takes months. But what if I told you that you could have something ready to sell by this time tomorrow? I'm talking about a real asset that can start generating passive income for you. We're going to break down the exact step-by-step system I used, leveraging simple tools and a little help from AI to make the process incredibly fast and easy. If you've ever dreamed of making money online but felt overwhelmed, this is the video you've been waiting for. So, what exactly is a digital product? It's anything you can sell and deliver online. Think ebooks, templates, guides, checklists, or planners. The beauty of it is you create it once and can sell it over and over again without ever worrying about inventory or shipping. The first and most important step is figuring out what to create. This is where most people get stuck, but it's simpler than you think. Don't try to reinvent the wheel. Instead, think about a problem you've best solved for yourself or a skill you have that others might want to learn. Maybe you're great at organizing your finances, meal prepping for the week, or even just keeping your houseplants alive. Any of these can be turned into a valuable digital product. For this 24-hour challenge, I decided to create a simple productivity planner for creatives. I noticed a lot of my friends struggled with balancing their creative projects and daily tasks. That's my problem to solve. To validate this idea, I did a quick search on platforms like Etsy and Pinterest. I typed in productivity planner and planner for artists and saw tons of listings with thousands of sales. This is a great sign. It means there's a proven market and people are actively buying these types of products. So my advice is find a small, specific problem and check if others are already selling solutions for it. If they are, that's your green light. Don't worry about competition. It just proves there's demand. Now for the fun part, creating the product. You might be thinking, I'm not a designer. Don't worry, neither am I. We're going to use a free tool called Canva. It's a lifesaver for beginners. Inside Canva, there are thousands of pre-made templates for planners, ebooks, and checklists. I simply searched for planner template and found a bunch of beautiful designs to start with. From there, I customized it to fit my specific idea. I changed the colors, the fonts, and added sections that would be useful for a creative person, like a brain dump page for ideas and a project tracker. The goal here is not perfection, it's progress. You can create a simple but valuable 10 to 15 page PDF in just a few hours. I also used AI tools like ChatGPT to help me brainstorm section ideas and write some of the introductory text. This sped up the process immensely. With my planner designed, the next step was to get it ready to sell. I needed a way to deliver the product and accept payments. Again, we're keeping it simple. I used a platform called Gumroad. It's incredibly beginner-friendly and free to set up. You just upload your PDF, write a simple description, set your price, and Gumroad handles everything else, the payment processing, the file delivery, all of it. I priced my planner at a very accessible $7. For your first product, it's better to price it lower to get those first few sales and build some confidence. I also used Canva again to create some simple promotional graphics, what we call mock-ups, to show what the planner looks like. You can find mock-up templates in Canva that make your PDF look like a physical product, which makes it much more appealing to buyers. So, in under 24 hours, I went from just an idea to having a finished digital product listed for sale online. I brainstormed the idea, validated it, designed it using Canva, and listed it on Gumroad. This entire process is something you can absolutely replicate. The key is to start small and focus on solving one specific problem. Don't get bogged down in trying to create a massive, complex course or a 300-page ebook on your first go. A simple checklist or a short guide is a perfect starting point. The momentum you gain from creating and selling that first product is priceless. It proves to you that this is possible. So, what are you waiting for? Take what you've learned today and challenge yourself to create your first digital product in the next 24 hours. You've got this. Thank you so much for watching. If this video helped you, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on building your online business. Let me know in the comments what digital product you're going to create. I'd love to hear your ideas. See you in the next video.